Papá, no se pierda buena. Estamos gozando. Viven bien y después se quejan. Dímelo.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're getting ready to take the car over to the house and go ahead and take out the transmission to see what went wrong with it and see what can we fix, what can we salvage. You know we don't have a trailer, so this is what's got to happen. Good thing the house is only a couple houses down, and we'll go ahead and get this started. But I haven't even started the car since the event. It's sitting in E85. It's got a full tank, so let's just good luck to me. Oh, there ain't nothing going on over here. Started this car since we came back from the event, so we want to see if it starts. It starts. We know the motor's not broken. Now the window is. Okay, cool. I don't have my wideband on. Alright guys, so what we're gonna get started with is taking off the bumper. We already got this intercooler piping loose. I gotta take off the bumper to get the other one over here on the intercooler. And just go starting from there. I don't think I'm gonna take any of this off. I'm gonna try to work around it, but it's probably gonna hard to get that slave cylinder off the trans. But that's pretty much what we're gonna be doing here. All right guys, as you can see, starter's off, clutch looks good. I got all the bolts from the bottom off, shifter linkage is off, and what they call the bitch pin. All you need is a screwdriver and a hammer. You put it right there, the right side screwdriver, you just knock it out. There's also 2 bolts right there for the rear mount for the trans, and then there's one that's on the motor itself right here. See it? That one goes to from the motor to the trans. You got one right here also, has been taken out. I had to take off this side for the traction bar. I got it right over here. Alright, as you can see, you got the axle out. You got the suspension hanging there. Getting ready to take out the bolts from here on the top. So there's 2 here, 1 over there in that corner. And I believe there was 1 next to the starter. Yep, there it is right there. See it? And then the main mount, and we're ready to party. All right guys, as you can see, we got the transmission out. I did the old chest pump on it. Got it all over me. Oil, it's all great. Clutch looks good. I might replace the clutch. I only have what, 5-6 passes on it, I think. But since it's eBay clutch, you know, you might want to replace it. You know. Then we got the transmission out. It's ready to go. Yeah man, that thing was heavy. Look at that. But pretty much got it out. Looks good. Start putting the car back together. All right guys, so as you can see, we got the transmission out, got the motor hanging. I put all the bolts back where they go. I'm about to drop the car. I already got the tires back on the car to make it a roller again. That's the pamper. The pamper did its job. Transmission is all clean, ready to take it to GUñYFAB, so he can go ahead and open it up and take a look at it. So here we go. All right, guys. If you guys look very closely at the oil that was in the transmission, you can see all the shiny stuff. All right? A bunch of pieces of teeth. Very good stuff. Very good stuff. Gotta love it. All right, car's on the ground. Ready for the garage to be closed. Transmission loaded up. Ready? All right, guys, we made it to GUñYFAB. What's up, my friend?
What's up, bro?
Just coming to drop off the transmission. He's got his projects going. Like I said, guys, that car's for sale. $7,500. That car is consistent as a mother. So I guess they get this transmission off and unloaded. Got it sitting there. He's working on another car right now. All right, so basically what Guñy just explained was we're gonna take off these caps right here. This is a reverse, so take that screw out. These two over here on this side, and then all the screws around the transmission. All right, you guys can see we got all the screws around, all taken out. This cap is taken out, and there's a snap ring in there, right?
Mm-hmm.
There's a snap ring in there that has to be taken out. He's got those two bolts. No bueno. No bueno. Looks like, wow, that's horrible, dude. Pero dude, that I broke it all around. Look it. What gear is that? Oh, that's the ring gear?
Yeah, counter shaft.
Counter shaft. That's good. No, that looks fine to me. Let's put it back in and let's do it again. Oh my god, look at this. Wow, that's horrible. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and close it back up. We already found what was wrong. The ring gear. What was that shaft? What was the shaft called? The counter shaft is what broke on the trans. So gotta hunt down some parts. This is a GSR transmission, so it makes it a little bit harder to find parts. But it does have a OBX.
Yeah.
A OBX diff in it. So I don't have to buy a diff, and that was a big chunk of money. But we do gotta buy that counter shaft, bearings, and that ring gear. So we're gonna go ahead and close this up, and that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. That's opening a GSR transmission. Alright guys, we are gonna get started cleaning this transmission. The 16th and the 17th of this month of June, we're gonna try to make it to the Starlit Shootout. I recorded the last event. I don't even know how long ago it was, but I recorded one of those Starlit Shootout events now we're gonna try to go partake in it. So, as you know, we broke the transmission. Got to take everything out, clean it, clean all the teeth and metal that's left in it. Wait for Guny to give me the let's go get the parts, because he found somebody with the parts, and we'll just wait on that. So, go ahead and get started. All right, guys, just to get a better look at what is broken, call this a counter shaft. As you can see, we're missing half the damn shaft and half the teeth on the shaft. And on the diff, we're missing most of the teeth on, not most, but we're missing some chunks of the diff there. So, as you can see, there's a bunch of good stuff up in there. So we're gonna continue getting this situated here. I want to clean it out and just go with that. All right, guys, so we are gonna get ready. I'm gonna load up the transmission, the diff. Guny said that the parts have gotten there, so we gotta load up the transmission, we gotta load up the diff, and load up a couple other pieces there. I ordered the axle seals. They should be coming Friday, but it should we should just be able to put it together right now. Take out the axle seals when I get the transmission back over here. And then we'll go ahead and start preparing for the Kina Starlet shootout. Hopefully the car doesn't break again. But I believe I'm driving the car to the track again, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, as you can see, what we got: a new ring gear, a new counter shaft. That was the old ring gear that we got out. Guny said he's gonna fix that tomorrow. This is the old ring gear, or the counter shaft. It still looks good to me. Got everything. The bearing upgrade that he does with these GSR transmissions, because usually those are the stock ones for GSR, right? Yeah. Those have a lot of play. I don't know if I said it in a couple videos ago, but I said those bearings have a lot of play, And this one is gonna, as you can see, the bearing has changed. This one is gonna have a lot less play and a lot less breakage. I had one bearing just fall out, and he had to press that one out, but the other one just fell out, so that made it easier on him. But we're gonna go ahead and put it back together. That's what I'm talking about. Before, that thing was like this. So Guny told me that when you do this bearing upgrade, these bearings come on the LS?
Yes.
Okay. So these bearings, the way you see the diff here, it comes like that on an LS transmission. This is a GSR transmission, so it comes with those bull crap bearings here. I don't know why they did that. They did such a good car and they did horrible bearings. But he said when you're working on a GSR transmission and you're gonna change those bearings to the ones that you got on now, the LS bearings, you need that spacer. It's basically a snap ring, but all right, guys, so that's gonna bring this video to an end. Thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. Transmission is back in the car and we're gonna take it to Kina Starlet Shootout. Stay tuned for that video. As you can see, we'll leave that for another day. See you guys later. Definitely, look at that.